Hi, hope you are doing well. I've tried to summarize the 2+ hours of NVIDIA GTC 2026 conference, hitting all the key points like key takeaways, upcoming tech initiatives, what's currently being done, things to look for in months and years to come, key NVIDIA partnerships, NVIDIA competition, how other tech giants are looking at it, and how this matters to tech professionals. Let's go. So, how I see it is that it's the dawn of agentic intelligence. Honestly, if you thought the AI boom had reached its peak, NVIDIA GTC 2026 just proved we're only in the opening act. Jensen Huang took the stage to announce a fundamental shift. We're moving past the era of chatbots and right into the era of agentic intelligence. This isn't just about AI that can chat, it's about autonomous agents that can truly reason, plan, and execute tasks across every single industry. Today, I'm breaking down the roadmap that will define the next decade of computing, from the chips powering our data centers to the robots on our streets, and yes, even satellites in orbit. Now, let's talk about the hardware, Vera Rubin and the inference explosion. The real star of the show was the new Vera Rubin platform. This isn't just one GPU, it's a massive ecosystem featuring 7 new chips, including the Rubin GPUs, the Vera CPU, and a specialized Grok 3 LPX inference accelerator. NVIDIA is really pushing towards massive inference scaling. By integrating Grok's technology, they're aiming for a staggering 10x to 35x improvement in efficiency, especially when you look at tokens per watt and dollar. While Blackwell is currently in full production and driving record-breaking revenue, Vera Rubin is clearly the next big leap, with 5 rack-scale systems ready for the second half of 2026. We're even seeing the first Vera Rubin Space One modules, which will actually take AI compute into orbit to support space-based operations. Pretty wild, right? Moving on to the software, which is Agent OS and AI factories. But hardware is only half the story. NVIDIA is launching what they're calling an Agent OS to standardize how these AI agents are built. There are 2 paths here: NemoClaw, which is designed for enterprises needing super strict guardrails, security, and privacy, and OpenClaw, an open-source version for developers to prototype and deploy agents super rapidly. This whole shift also really underscores the rapid rise of agentic AI as a service. NVIDIA is essentially building the infrastructure for businesses to deploy these sophisticated, autonomous AI agents on demand without needing to build them from the ground up. Think of it like renting highly skilled AI specialists for any task, delivered right through the cloud. To house all this power, NVIDIA introduced the DSX AI Factory. Think of this as a complete blueprint for planetary-scale data centers. Using Omniverse digital twins, companies can simulate their entire AI factory, including DSX Air virtual testing, before they even break ground. This is all being supported by the Nemetron Coalition, an open ecosystem involving partners like Perplexity and Mistral, making sure that reasoning, robotics, and vision models remain accessible to everyone. And personally, I believe agentic AI as a service will fundamentally transform how tech consulting and services companies operate, from their ways of working, to their pricing models, GTM strategies, and overall service architectures and operating models. All of this will change dramatically, likely within just a couple of years. Next up, let's explore the ecosystem, from cloud to robotaxis. The scale of NVIDIA's partnerships is reaching unprecedented levels. Seriously. AWS is leading the charge, operating over 1 million GPUs and LPUs, while Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle are all deepening their ties even though they're building their own custom silicon. In the physical world, physical AI is really ramping up through the Isaac and GR00T platforms. We even saw the Disney Olaf robot demo, which honestly proves that even entertainment giants are becoming robotics companies. On the roads, Uber announced its robotaxis will be active in 28 cities by 2028. This tech is also being integrated into the assembly lines of BYD, Hyundai, and Nissan, as well as industrial giants like ABB, KUKA, and Siemens. It's everywhere. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the competition and the 2027 plus horizon. Giants like Google, Amazon, and Meta are accelerating their own custom chips, stuff like TPUs, Inferentia, and MTIA, to reduce their dependency on NVIDIA. However, NVIDIA still holds an 80% to 90% market dominance. Their moat isn't just the chips, it's that full-stack software ecosystem that just makes it nearly impossible for rivals to truly catch up. Looking toward 2027 and beyond, the roadmap points to the Rubin Ultra and Feynman platforms. We are entering what Jensen calls an exploding token economy. As inference becomes cheaper, AI agents will become ubiquitous in literally every piece of SaaS software. They're even exploring long-term energy innovations, looking at ocean and space-based solutions to power the massive energy needs of these future AI factories. Wild stuff. And finally, why this matters for you. For tech professionals, this is a massive signal to pivot, no doubt about it. Whether you're in a global tech hub or hanging out in university campus, the demand for skills in agentic AI, inference optimization, and AI factory design is about to absolutely explode. The tools like OpenClaw are lowering the barriers to entry, making it the perfect time to align with the NVIDIA ecosystem. The AI boom isn't just real, it's accelerating, and it's going to redefine every single job on the planet. Honestly, though I don't deny the work that's being done, and it's changing the whole tech landscape, I also see GTC as a bit of a showbiz concert. It's not just a tech conference. It's a carefully orchestrated performance designed to rally everyone together, generate massive hype, and ultimately, accelerate NVIDIA's business at an incredible pace. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as we track the rollout of the Vera Rubin era.